A keto chowder with shrimp, fish, and clams, perfect for elevating your special dinner to the next level. Heat a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add bacon and cook until brown and crispy. Add the onion, garlic, and butter, and cook until onions have become translucent, about 7 minutes. Add the paprika and thyme. Add the heavy cream, vegetable stock, and bay leaf, and cook for about 5 minutes. Add the shrimp and white fish, and cook for about 12 minutes. Just before serving, process a little bit and add the clams. Cover and let them steam for 3 minutes. Serve with bacon and parsley.